बहुत सारी चीज़ें आने वाली हैं कि कैसे हम स्पेस में जाकर के चीज़ों को समझ सकें या देख सकें। लाइफ का ओरिजिन कैसे हुआ और क्या हुआ उस पे भी डिस्कस करना है क्योंकि बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और ये सारा एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है। इसीलिए एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी को इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी या मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी सब्जेक्ट भी माना जाता है, जिसमें सभी लोगों की आवश्यकता है। जिस मूवी की मैं बात कर रहा था द मार्शियन की, उसमें उसने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से ही जस्ट एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग वेरी क्लियरली कि हाउ टू ग्रो द प्लांट, हाउ टू create the same habitat, how to maintain the habitat, how to manage the habitat, everything he just shows everything in this movie. And that thing is very important. That is called as astrobiology. See how he can manage everything. It's very important. And जो origin of life theories की बात करूं, चाहे अगर वो abiogenesis हो या फिर पैंथरमेनिया सॉरी पैंथर्मिया हो या हाइड्रोथर्मल वेंट थ्योरी हो जिसमें डीप सी के अंदर या स्पेस के अंदर जो जहाँ पे बायोजेनेसिस जहाँ नॉन लाइफ की स्टडी हो सकती है वहां पर से ये स्टडी आई हो तो बहुत सारी स्टडीज को हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग सब्जेक्ट और वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो। इसके अंदर जैसे मैंने बताया ना कि जियो बायोलॉजी, जियो थिंकिंग, रिमोट सेंसिंग सब कुछ हम इसके अंदर देख सकते हैं। तो हर तरह के डेटा को मैनेज करना, हर तरह के हैबिटेट्स को समझना और उसके बारे में जान करके एवरीथिंग वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द फैक्टर्स, हाउ टू ग्रो द प्लांट्स, हाउ टू सर्वाइव इन द स्पेस, हाउ टू पुट एवरीथिंग इन द स्पेस ऑन जीरो ग्रेविटी and how to manage ourselves also. That is most important. And all these things just aggregate and accumulate, then it is called astrobiology. We can easily इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं, easily collective all the things, then it is called astrobiology. बहुत सारे challenges आते हैं और इसमें हम इस समय तो हम बहुत आगे हैं। जब एआई का जमाना आ गया है तो ऑटोनॉमस जो हमारे पास रोवर्स हैं, प्रोब्स हैं, बहुत सारे लाइव डिटेक्शन एल्गोरिथम्स चलती हैं जिसमें हम एआई के टूल्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और एआई है, रोबोटिक्स है जिसका इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है और किया भी जा रहा है। बहुत सारी जगहों पे इसका इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है। हमें जो एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी है इसको आम जन तक भी ले जाना चाहिए। जो हमारे स्टूडेंट है, स्पेस वीक चल रहा है तो जगह जगह डे नाइट फाउंडेशन के थ्रू बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की जा रही है कि जगह जगह लोगों तक, बच्चों में, स्कूलों में, छोटे बच्चों तक ये बात पहुंचाई जाए। तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है। इसको मुझे लगता है कि मैं आई एम फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड कि मुझे मौका मिला आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी एंड ऑल दिस थिंग प्लांट्स। I have studied too many and 7 to 8 years I have spent my time in forest area. So I have seen many different types of habitat in forest, in UP forest, in Darjeeling, Sikkim, Nainital, Gangtok, and all the other hilly areas forest also I have searched and I have wandering here and there till now also. Then it is very important. So same thing has happened. I have seen many plants also which can survive in extreme conditions. This is the main role and we can use all the plants and all the habitat climate in space also, but according to them we have to manage कि जैसे उनका क्लाइमेट है उसी के आधार पे हमें क्लाइमेट सेट करना होगा, एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स लाने होंगे और फिर हम उसको स्टडी करेंगे। दिस इज कॉल्ड एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी और बड़ा अच्छा है। और इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में अगर जानना हो, देखना हो तो जितनी भी सर्वाइवल मूवी आती है स्पेस की या अदर चीज़ों की तो हम उससे स्टडी कर सकते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं। और बहुत सारे जो एथिकल पार्ट है, मतलब कल्चर और एथिक्स है, उसको हमें समझना चाहिए। और जो हमारे एस्ट्रोनॉट्स हैं इस पे भी काम करते हैं, वो सीखते हैं, ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं, जाते हैं और उनके हेल्थ का भी बहुत ध्यान रखा जाता है। जब वो आते हैं तो उन्हें रिहैबिलिटेशन सेंटर में भी रखा जाता है, रिहैबिलिट किया जाता है ताकि वो अपने आप को इस एनवायरनमेंट में भी अडॉप्ट कर सकें और उस एनवायरनमेंट में भी वो कैसे रहें उस पर भी उनकी ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है। तो ये एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी है। और जो अमेरिकन एस्ट्रोनॉमर थे और एक्स्ट्राटेरियल लाइफ पे वो काम करते थे, उन्होंने कहा भी है इस जो पीपीटी डिस्प्ले हो रही है उसके लास्ट में उन्होंने कहा कि समवेयर समथिंग इनक्रेडिबल इज वेटिंग टू बी नोन। और कार्ल सैगन जी ने कहा है ये। जो पीपीटी आप देख रहे हैं इसकी लास्ट पीपीटी में है वो लाइन मुझे याद आ रही है कि समवेयर समथिंग इज इनक्रेडिबल इज वेटिंग टू बी नोन। हाँ, दैट इज, थैंक यू वेरी मच। कि ये लाइन पूरी एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी, पूरे एस्ट्रोनॉमी को ही डिस्क्राइब करती है कि आप हमारी धरती पर भी हम मैनेज, और थैंक यू वेरी मच ब्रिजेश जी का, और ब्रिजेश जी का जिन्होंने मुझे ये मौका दिया इस बात को रखने का। और ये जो लाइन है, इट्स वेरी सुटेबल फॉर एवरीबॉडी, इवन इन अर्थ एंड एक्सोप्लैनेट आल्सो। और ये मैंने महसूस भी किया है कि हर जगह कुछ ना कुछ इनक्रेडिबल है और उसे जानना ज़रूरी है। और एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी भी यही है, और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग को मेरी बातें पसंद आई होंगी, कि हमें और भी प्लानिंग इस पे करनी है। बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हैं, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम इस पे भी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कि कौन से प्लांट्स को ग्रो कराया जाए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट्स होते हैं जिनका इस्तेमाल फैक्टर्स को चेक करने में भी किया जाता है, और बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट्स हैं जो न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू के लिए भी ग्रो कराए जाते हैं। तो इस पे भी हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, अगर मौका मिला तो हम जरूर डिस्कस करेंगे, और इसे आम लोगों तक, जो बच्चे हैं, स्कूल हैं, उन तक भी ये बात पहुंचाई जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। देन थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सर। सर आपने एस्ट्रोबायोलॉजी के बारे में हमें बताया सर, और हमारे साथ के सभी लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा जानकारी प्राप्त की कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी जैसे कि इतने एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस में कैसे सरवाइव कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि जब तक हम बायोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में अगर कोई ग्रोथ नहीं करेंगे, तब तक स्पेस या फिर कहीं दूसरे ग्रह पे रहने की कल्पना हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो
जी
ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर हम स्पेस साइंस पढ़ रहे हैं तो उसमें बायोलॉजी का कोई महत्व नहीं है। आपने सर बायोलॉजी का महत्व बताया सर। सर बहुत अच्छा लगा। अगर कोई सर से कोई
सर
क्वेश्चन
को
पूछना चाहते हैं
सर
तो
को
पूछ सकते हैं।
सर को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। वर्तमान समय में यूएस से सर जुड़ चुके हैं, तो मैं कोशिश करूंगा डॉक्टर अमरपाल सर को इंट्रोड्यूस करें। सर का बहुत अमूल्य कीमती समय मिल पाया है।
बहुत अच्छी बात है हमारे लिए भी।
डॉक्टर अमरपाल सर प्लीज।
Chaniara sir, welcome.
Okay, thank you.
एक मिनट
तो सर आप ही कंटिन्यू कर लें।
हाँ सर लगता है। तो आज इस वेबिनार के सत्र में मैं चाहूंगा कि इसरो के जो सीनियर साइंटिस्ट हैं, भारत भाई चनियारा जी, मैं आपका DNSF फाउंडेशन में बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत है। आपने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग गुजरात से किया है, और इसरो में आपके 35 वर्ष से ज़्यादा अपने सेवा दे चुके हैं एज ए सीनियर साइंटिस्ट के रूप में। और आपका जो एरिया रहा है वो सैटेलाइट कंट्रोल सेंटर में आपने सैटेलाइट के हेल्थ चेकअप और ऑपरेशन को मैनेज किया है, और आपने रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट वर्क किया, और सैटेलाइट बेस्ड कम्युनिकेशन एंड टर्मिनल्स, टेली एजुकेशन एंड टेली मेडिसिन जैसे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे आपके बहुत अहम योगदान रहे हैं। और आपके बहुत सारे योगदान हैं, इनमें अगर देखा जाए तो इंडियन रीजनल नेविगेशन सैटेलाइट सिस्टम प्रोजेक्ट में आपका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा, जो एक जीपीएस जैसा इंडिजीनियस नेविगेशन सिस्टम होता है। आप प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर रहे हैं, और आपको इसरो किंग एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड से और डॉक्टर सीवी रमन अवार्ड से भी सम्मानित किया गया है। आपने लगभग 16 कंट्रीज में इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट भी किया है। तो सर आपको DNSF स्पेस फाउंडेशन पे आज पाकर हमें काफी खुशी हो रही है। हम चाहते हैं कि हम आपके अनुभवों से, आपके शिक्षाओं से कुछ मार्गदर्शन प्राप्त करें। तो बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सर आपका।
Thank you. Thank you for introducing me. Namaste. Good evening to all of you. Respected Dr. Chandramouli Joshi ji, teachers, parents, and dear students. First of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Chandramouli Joshi ji and his team for organizing such a wonderful events, that is Space Week Celebration program. Such scientific program or webinar inspires and motivates the students and ignites their interest in the field of science and technology. I would like to thank Dr. Chandramouli Joshi ji for inviting me in this wonderful program and provided me an opportunity to speak to you. Today I'll speak about ISRO's history, about satellite, their applications, then interplanetary mission ISRO carried out so far, then achievement of ISRO, and about the future missions of ISRO. So as we all know that Dr. Vikram Sarabhai established ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, on 15th August 1969. He was believing, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was believing and used to say that we all must use technology is the only way for the fast development of our country, and we all must use technology in all the fields. So technology is the only media or way for the fast development of our country. So Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was an eminent scientist, was great visionary, genius innovator, and he was institution builder and multidimensional personality. He was also generous donor, thorough gentleman, simple, very kind and humble human being. Now I'll talk about ISRO. What are the responsibilities of ISRO? What ISRO does? That is, ISRO designs, develops different types of satellites, develops different types of launch vehicle to launch the satellite in space. Then once we launch the satellite in space, we have to manage it. We have to monitor around the clock, means 24 hours, about their health parameters, and we should utilize the satellite. We have to collect the data, that is remote sensing satellite data, and we have to analyze it, and we have to uh, provide this data to the end users. So these are the prime responsibility of ISRO. ISRO also carries out interplanetary missions like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, and Aditya L1. The purpose of interplanetary missions are to develop very complex, challenging technologies, manage our yarn in deep space, and to collect the detail of planet like Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, Sun, about their atmosphere, their terrain, their soil, minerals, waters, etc. And to showcase our capability, technological capability to the world. So these are the prime aim to carry out the interplanetary mission. Now I'll speak about different types of satellites. There are basically three types of satellites. One is called remote sensing satellites, used to sense the information of the Earth remotely from the space. India launched the first remote sensing satellite, that was Aryabhata, launched on 19th April 1975. Then as on today, we have radar imaging satellites, very good high accuracy remote sensing satellites. So that is RISAT series satellites are there. And RISAT satellite, advantage of RISAT remote sensing satellite, it can provide the information in all weather condition, whether it is cloudy or other environment. It will provide information in all weather condition. That is the main advantage, and it provides very good accuracy in terms of centimeters. So now I'll speak about the use of remote sensing satellite. It is used to for weather forecast, to find out natural resources, used for precise mapping. It is also used for strategic surveillances, forestry, agriculture, and so many. So there are so many applications of remote sensing satellites are there. These are the few of that. Now, another satellites type is communication satellite. As its name indicates, it is used for communication purpose, majority use. So we launched our first satellite, that is communication satellite. Its name was Apple, and it was launched on June 1981. As on now, we have GSAT series communication satellites having huge capacity, large capacity, which can provide supports to the many communication services. So use of communication satellites are, as its name indicates, it is for used for global communications, directly or indirectly for mobile communications, for relay of entertainment program like TV and radios, telecast of live events like sports and other events, telecast of natural disaster and its management. It is also used for internet services, telemedicine, teleeducation purpose also it is used. It is used for banking network like ATM, credit card, debit card, net banking, e-payments, and so on. It is used for corporate and government networks and emergency one, that is 101, and hospital networks also it is used. So there are so many applications. It is also used to telecast weather and natural disaster related information and so on. So there are numerous applications of a communication satellites also. Now third category is navigation satellite. As its name indicates, it is used for primarily for position, velocity, and timing information. It provides very precise position, velocity, and timing information. Position accuracy of the order of, we can say, for commercial application is less than 10 meters or so. Timing accuracy in terms of nanometer, and velocity, of course, it gives very good velocity accuracy also. So India started development of navigation satellite activity. The first was GPS aided Gagan augmented navigation system, which is it provides very accurate position in terms of position accuracy in terms of centimeter or so. So these services are used for landing and takeoff of plane in all weather condition, whether it is cloudy, foggy, or whatever. So it is very useful for air navigations in all weather conditions. So that work was started in 2011, and now our Gagan system, it is operational and it is used widely for air navigations. Under our navigation system, that is standalone navigation system, it's our own navigation system. It is called IRNSS, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. We started development of IRNSS in 2013, and now it is also operational. So that is our standalone system. We did not depend on navigation system of others like USA, GPS, and GLONASS of Russia. So that is our indigenous standalone navigation system. As I told, use of navigation system, it provides it decimates precise position, velocity, and timing information to the users. It is also used for land, marine, and air navigations. It is also used for commercial and strategic services. It was used for precise mapping, that is for state boundary and international boundaries also. It is used to provide the information that is like, say, a disaster or some accident zone position very accurately, so that relief or help can be provided immediately at that location. So that is also very useful applications of navigation system. So these are the basically three type of satellites are there, and all satellites are used widely in different ways. Now I'll tell about interplanetary missions carried out by ISRO or our country. First interplanetary mission was carried out, that is Chandrayaan-1, which was launched on 22nd October 2008 and placed in 100-kilometer moon orbit and it is successfully, it was placed, and it's provided very good, it took pictures from 100 kilometer altitude, and it's provided very good information about moon terrain, surface, and so on. Then subsequently we launched Chandrayaan 2, that was launched on 22nd July 2019 with Vikram lander and Pragyan rover. So that was next attempt of ISRO on Chandrayaan mission. So to land lower landers and rover on moon surface. But due to technical glitch in soft landing mechanism, at the last moment, just before few seconds of actual landing, scheduled landing, it lost communication between Earth station, and it crashed land. It landed crashly, and it was not successful, 100% successful. But we can say it was partially successful, and we learned a lot of things with Chandrayaan 2. Then subsequently we launched Chandrayaan 3 mission on 14th July 2023. After analyzing the problem of Chandrayaan 2, and we took corrective measures in Chandrayaan 3 so that it becomes 100% successful. So it was launched on 14th July 2023 and landed successfully on south pole of moon on 23rd August 2023. So that was successful mission, and we were the first country to land our Yan on moon surface, that is lander and rover on south pole, which is very rough terrain and very extreme weather condition on south pole of the moon. So that was challenging mission, but we could complete it successfully. Then next mission was Mangalyaan. So we launched our Mangalyaan on 5th November 2013 and entered in Mars orbit on 24th September 2014. So that was also successful mission, and we are the first country to place our Yan, that is Mars Mangalyaan, in Mars orbit successfully in first attempt itself. So that was very good achievement. Then we launched a third, that is Aditya L1 mission, that is called um, Solar Observatory. We launched on 22nd September 2023 and parked our Aditya 1 Yan on Lagrangian point L1 on 6th January 2024 after journey of 126 days. So that was a very deep space mission, and it is used to study the solar behavior, especially sun flare, and its effect on Earth environment. So changes in solar flare or sun behavior, how it affects on Earth environment, it provides a detail of that. So that was the purpose of launching Aditya L1 mission. Now I'll speak about the achievement of ISRO. So as we know that so far ISRO um, carried out their missions or research activity of 55 years or so. So we achieved a lot of things globally, we can say. So achievement of ISRO, that is, we launched 104 satellite using our Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, that is PSLV, on 15th February 2017, and it has established world record. So far, nobody has placed 104 satellites with using one launch vehicle in one go itself. Previous record was on the name of Russia. That was 32 satellites they launched, and at that time we were second with 20 satellites. So we jumped from 20 satellites to 104 satellites. So I will glad to inform you that out of 104 satellites, 101 satellites were of foreign countries, and only 3 satellites were for our country. So that is out of 101 satellites, 75 satellites were of USA and rest satellites were of other countries. So that is very good achievement, or we established world record. We are the first country to detect micromolecules of water particles on moon surface. That was detected by Chandrayaan-1 mission. So that was also we are the first country to provide that information. We are the first country to land our Yan on South Pole of Moon by Chandrayaan-3 mission. We are the first nation to place our Mangalyaan in the, as I told you, in Mars orbit successfully in first attempts and at relatively very low cost compared to other country. So with this mission, we are the first nation in Asia and fourth nation in the world who has carried out Mars mission. We are the fourth nation having its own deep space Earth station, that is near Bangalore at Belarus, having very big disk, because to carry out interplanetary mission, we should have our deep space Earth station, which is used to communicate, control, and manage the deep space missions. So that is deep space Earth station is there. We are the fourth country to establish our deep space Earth station. We are the fourth nation having solar observatory, that is Aditya L1, and having dual navigation system, that is Gagan and IRNSS navigation system. We are the sixth nation having complex cryogenic engine technology, which is used in launch vehicle. Our PSLV launch vehicle is the workhorse, we can say, which is very successful, reliable, and low-cost launch vehicle, and it has success rate is 95%. Only initially 3 development launch was not successful, it was failure, but subsequently rest, or starting from 4th launch to 63rd launch, all were 100% successful. So that is very good, our successful launch vehicle, we can say. India launched total 581 satellites. Out of 581 satellites, 431 of foreign satellite of 34 countries and 150 satellites of our nations, that is our Indian satellites. India is earning huge amount of foreign revenue by launching foreign satellites by our launch vehicles, selling remote sensing satellite data to the foreign countries who does not have the remote sensing satellites, and leasing communication satellite transponder, that is bandwidth, to the private users. So these are the, we can say, achievement of ISRO in different field, in terms of in the field of satellite, launch vehicle, and other interplanetary mission. Now I'll tell about briefly about future missions of ISRO. ISRO is going to carry out Chandrayaan-4 with robot to collect the sample of moon soil. So Chandrayaan-4 will go with robots, and robot will land on moon surface, and it will collect the sample of moon soil, and it will bring on Earth. So after analyzing that samples, we can get more accurate detail of moon surface, its minerals, and so on. The next is Chandrayaan-5 mission will be there, with our astronaut will go in that Yan and land on moon surface, and they will carry out experiments and will collect the more accurate details of moon, and they will return back to Earth. That was Chandrayaan-5. That is our future mission. We have planned that is Mangalyaan-2 missions also, with landers and rover like Chandrayaan-3. So lander and rover will land on Mars surface, and it will provide the more accurate details of Mars surface. We have next future mission is very ambitious mission is Gaganyaan. That our astronaut will go in space with our Gaganyaan, in our Gaganyaan, and they will carry out certain experiment in space They will move around the Earth in space for a few days, and then they will return back to Earth. That is very ambitious missions of ISRO of our country. Then we have planned space lab also. We are going to construct our own space lab. That is Bharti Antriksh Station, like International Space Station. We are going to establish our own space lab. That is also a very ambitious project, long-going project. Of course, it will take a few years to establish our own space station. We have Venus mission also to send our yarn in Venus orbit to carry out the Venus study. So these are the near future, or we can say ambitious future missions of ISRO, which we are going to carry out. So these are the details of about ISRO and activities of ISRO. So I'll conclude my talk here. Thank you all for listening me peacefully. Thank you all once again. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, आपने अपने अनुभवों को के साथ इसरो की उपलब्धियों को जो रोचक यात्रा हम सबके सामने शेयर किया, और जो कुछ भी आपने हमें इसरो के अचीवमेंट्स और फ्यूचर प्लान्स के बारे में बताया, उन सबको हमें सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। आपके शब्दों से हमें ये समझ में आया कि अवसर मिला कि देश की प्रगति के लिए विज्ञान और तकनीक कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है। मैं डे एंड नाइट रिसर्च फाउंडेशन की तरफ से आपके लिए हृदय से काफी धन्यवाद करता हूँ, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो भी दर्शक लोग हैं वो उनके पास अगर कुछ प्रश्न हो वो पूछ सकते हैं। You can unmute and ask to this one.
Okay, I'll try to answer the best.
Hi sir, good evening.
Very good evening.
सर मैं ग्रिजेश बात कर रहा हूँ।
Yeah, please go ahead.
सर मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि सर भारत अपने आप को 2047 में कहाँ देखता है in the field of space research?
Yeah, as I told you, we have achieved a lot of things because we started with scratch. There was nobody will share the space technology. So every country has to start with scratch. They have to develop its own technology. So we started with building up satellite technology first, and we developed satellite technology, and at that time there was no launch vehicle technology with us. So we were launching our satellites either from Russia or from France using their launch vehicles. So we have to pay a lot of huge amount of revenue to them for launching our satellite. So that was our starting point. So we started with scratch, and we of course achieved a lot of milestone, or we achieved a lot of achievement in terms of satellite technology, in terms of launch vehicle technology, in terms of interplanetary mission, and definitely in span of 55 years or so, with limited budget compared to other countries like USA, NASA, and Russia. Definitely, we achieved a lot of things, and definitely we'll go ahead. We'll compete with internationally in terms of remote sensing satellite, in terms of accuracy. Of course, it is at par with other countries also. Our RI satellite is radar imaging satellite provides very good accuracy, and it is at par with the other countries. So definitely we stood as on today at par with the other countries like USA, Russia, and Europe in space technology. And definitely we'll improve day by day, and we'll move further, and we'll carry out a lot of space exploration. We'll carry out a lot of space missions, interplanetary missions, and we'll try to improve our satellite technology to provide the better services to our nations and to our people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, very informative session it has. I have enjoyed it most. I have one question, sir. What is the role of the private startups in future? Somebody was telling about Mission 2047. What is the role of the private startups in enhancing the space research in India, especially
Yeah,
with ISRO?
yeah, yes, of course, a very good question. Of course, as our Prime Minister encouraged that we should carry out our space activity, we have to explore space activity in fast space. So ISRO opened the market, means we encourage the private industries or private players to contribute in space activities also. ISRO provides a lot of facility, provides know-hows to the private industries to carry out, like build satellites, to build launch vehicles, and so on. So that they also play an important roles, because ISRO, as on today, international demand is there for launching their satellites. So ISRO cannot support immediately to all, could not fulfill all the requirements. So definitely we encourage the private players or to support this activity. So that way, ISRO is opening market of space exploration to the for the private industries also. So ISRO provides, initially ISRO provides all know-how technology, provides a launch, means their test facility, launching pad facility, then control Earth station control center facility to the private service provider to support their missions. So these are the plan of ISRO to encourage the Indian industry to support the space missions. Thank you.
Thank
Good
you,
evening,
sir.
sir. This is thank you. Thanks again, sir, for your advice, sir, for your wonderful talk. Would you like to brief about the future of our space industry?
Future of space industry, of course, it is very good. Scope is there, future is there in terms of earning revenue, in terms of earning, means working with challenging technologies. So definitely, it's very good futures. Like USA, there are so many private industries are there which supports the NASA missions, and they earn a lot of revenue, and they enjoy the in developing the challenging technology also. So definitely for Indian industries also, it will be very good future. They will enjoy in space exploration, and definitely they will earn a lot of revenue also, because final aim of Indian industry or private industries is to earn the revenue. That is main aim. So definitely it's very good, bright future for Indian industries in to explore space activities. Thank you.
The second question is here for the sake of you, sir. So, how to do more inventive research in space science as well,
How?
sir? Something. How to do the more inventive research in space science?
Yeah, of course, ISRO is trying to encourage students starting from that young age. We have mobile exhibitions, we have fixed exhibition at our centers like Ahmedabad and Vikram Sarabhai at Trivandrum, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center at Trivandrum. So we try to explain students about what ISRO does. We explain with models of satellites, launch vehicles, interplanetary missions, so that the students will be motivated, they will inspire, and their interest will be ignited. So that way, our mobile exhibition moves to the district level or taluka level, and they will explain about ISRO activities and so on. So this is our way to encourage the students. So from the childhood or from young age, they takes the interest in the space technology, and we have many more missions like UVCI and other activities also. So through that also we try to encourage the students, and they can participate in ISRO activities in future. So these are the many, of course, ongoing activities of ISRO. You can visit our website, that is isro.gov.in, for all activities which ISRO carries out for the students and private industries also. So that is the ISRO does this jobs. Thank you.
Sure. With us, a renowned astrobiologist, Dr. Shrivastav, sir, is also available here. Sir, are you here?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, sir,
Yes, I'm here, sir. Thank you very much. Hello, good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Thank you very much, sir. We are very uh, overwhelmed for listening you. First time I am understanding all these things because I have done a lot of things in Earth also, with thinking about the plants and the plant which can survive in extreme condition. I am discussing about that also in astrobiology. But I am a simple botanist actually. But I am studying too much plants, how to their medicinal value and all these things. Through astrobiology also it is very good subject. But sir, because you are the expert, expertise, you have a lot of experience, and I just want to say something to you, sir. It's our request. The whole Day Night Foundation, Space Foundation is requesting you. You just be with us, and we can discuss all these things and just go all these things to the normal people also, the students who can understand very well what is the is there and what is the space is there, and we can manage some different types of courses that we can go through to all the students. If it is possible, then it is very good for us.
Of course, I could not listen 100% of your question. If somebody can just repeat it briefly, what he wants
Sir,
detail,
actually,
just
I just
please.
people I am
Sorry for
saying, sir.
not listening properly because your audio
Hello.
was not
सर
audible
Actually,
properly.
I
सर
just
आप राइट कर सकते हैं
in
चैट
chat
Yeah, you
box
can just question briefly so that I'll try to answer your question
because
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 audio
audio
was
is
audio
not
not
is not
clear.
clear, I think.
audible
ओके
properly.
सर, मैं only one thing सर, मैं सिंपल ये कहना चाहता हूँ सर, कि हम मतलब आपके साथ मिलकर के हम कुछ ऐसा डिजाइन करें कोर्सेज जो आम लोगों तक हम पहुंचा सके कि इसरो के बारे में भी, और हमारे डे नाइट जो फाउंडेशन है जिसके तहत हम ये बातें कर रहे हैं, तो आपका अगर सानिध्य मिले, योर ब्लेसिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, देन वी कैन डू समथिंग न्यू. We can go everybody to something about what is space and what is astrobiology. This thing I'm saying.
Yeah. So what I understood that how you can contribute to the common man or public
Yes, sir.
about just providing information about ISRO. What I understood, I think that's things. So as Dr. Chandramouli Joshi ji and his team is carrying out a lot of webinars, lot of exhibitions in different cities or towns of our country. So that way they are means providing details of ISRO and just encouraging student to take interest in the field of space technology. You can do also such thing also you can carry out same way. You can go to the town or cities and you can provide you can deliver lecture, you can invite some ISRO scientists, they can provide lectures about ISRO like me, and people can have know-how of ISRO. So you can also you can hold exhibitions or posters. You can display posters of ISRO, which provides the detail of satellites, launch vehicles, interplanetary missions, and so on. So that way also you can contribute in providing details about ISRO to the common man or students. Thank you.
sir, I'm honored to tell you that we are already exhibiting our satellite and rockets model to the different cities
Yeah,
of
yeah,
India.
very good, very good. Congratulations to all.
Mm. And here with us, our host, Mr. Harishankar Nath Tiwari. If you have any question, you can ask to sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
In the
In the
last,
last,
if we
if
had
we
to
had
give
to give
only one
only
piece
one
of
piece of
advice
advice
to
to
younger
young
students who
student who
dream
dream
of
of
becoming
becoming
scientists,
scientist,
What would it be?
What they should do, I think so. What I understood. Yeah, how they can become ISRO scientist.
Yes, if they want to pursue space science,
Yeah.
what will be your advice?
Yeah, okay. So what I understood your question, that is how young student can become ISRO scientist.
Yes,
What they should study, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So to become ISRO scientist, first of all, student has to study engineering in the field of engineering, either electronics, communication, IT, computer, mechanical. Of course, ISRO needs all type of engineers. Okay, electrical, mechanical, but the electronics and communication and IT and computer engineering students requirement is more. So they can study in such field, in engineering field. And of course, ISRO carry out national wide recruitment, almost it is ongoing process. So we carry out national wide recruitment. We have a recruitment board. So we published advertisement in our website also, and employment newspaper and local English newspapers. So based on that advertisement, students, eligible student can apply, and uh, once they are screened in, means once they are eligible for interview, they will be called for first written test uh, to their nearest center. We have, of course, divided our country in 5 zones: east, west, north, south, and central zone. So they will be called in the nearest center for interview, or sorry, written test. And if they are selected in written test, they will be called for interview, personal interview. And if they are qualified in personal interview also, they will be posted in ISRO, any center of ISRO, based on their qualification and requirement of ISRO. So we have basically 5 R&D centers, research and development centers in India, that is Ahmedabad, Trivandrum, Sririkota, Bangalore, and Bela, of course, under center is that VSSC. So they will be posted in any center based on requirement and their qualifications. So these are the basic process of recruitment in ISRO, and student can become ISRO scientist. Of course, competition will be on national level, so definitely it will be tough. But students should not be discouraged. They should have confidence, and they can carry on, and they can compete with the other student also. So that is the process of recruitment in ISRO. Of course, we need um, uh, scientists also from the science background, that is maths and science also. So that is also a stream student can study science in field of maths and science. So that also, this type of scientist also we need, ISRO needs, for analyzing the data and to carry out the research in the field of physics. So these are the basic simple process of recruitment.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir. Once again, on the behalf of Day and Night Space Foundation, I sincerely thank you, sir, for sharing the inspiring story and achievement of ISRO. Your words have truly motivated us and given us a deeper understanding of India's journey in space exploration. We are grateful for your valuable time and guidance. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you once again.
Good evening,
Thank you,
sir.
sir, for your wonderful lecture and DNA Space Foundation for a wonderful organization as well. And all the member of DNA Space Foundation also. Thanks a lot. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you all. Thank you all. All the best to all.
Thank you,
Good
sir.
evening, sir. Good evening,
Thank you.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I want to something say. Sir,
Yeah, please.
research scholar joined the Day and Night Space Group, Mr. Suresh Yadav. He present some PPT. Please, sir, if you have a time, please, sir, go the PPT.
Of course, I have PPT, but due to limited time, Of course, I can share some in other event. Definitely, I have PPT, very good PPTs about ISRO. Of course, it will take, I think, more than an hour to present my presentation. Of course, whatever I spoke, that is summary of my PPTs, you can say. But definitely, I can participate in next event or so with PPTs, and we can have detailed discussion. I'll try to provide more detailed about ISRO and other things like satellite, launch vehicle, and interplanetary mission. Definitely, we can go ahead with PPT in next session. Somewhere you can plan, and definitely I'll try to present my PowerPoint presentation.
Thank you.
But sir, I say, sir, a research scholar, Mr. Suresh, he
Yeah.
want to present their PPT to you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Definitely, you can go present the things. I'll be available. Please go
Sir.
ahead. Please go ahead.
Sir, I think he has just left the meeting and he's not available now.
Once, call.
Once try to connect with him as soon as possible, please. We are waiting for the check of that as well.
I think he has left now. Sir, I want to say that the Day and Night Foundation is working in upliftment of rural space education, and
Yeah.
we are
Very
just gathering a lot of government school students like primary and upper primary, and we are just building a small lab type setup in the schools so that they can be educated in the field of space and know about the satellite and rockets. And
very good.
we are honored you to be here on our platform, sir.
Yeah, that's my pleasure.
Later, we will try to connect you, sir, for any other sessions if
Yeah, definitely. You
time
can
provides,
just
sir.
invite me in advance, and just you can provide the details
Mhm.
which subject, especially like satellite in detail. Suppose I want to speak, you can speak, or launch vehicle or interplanetary mission. Whatever I can speak in detail. You can just provide me details in
हेलो
advance, so that I
एक बार
can.
ज्वाइन करिए, तुरंत ज्वाइन करिए.
Sir, can we have our sessions in Hindi language
हाँ
also? That because our government school students
हाँ
can just understand Hindi and
Yeah,
things.
of course.
अच्छा
I'll try to prepare in Hindi
Yes,
my speech. I'll
because
try to
lots
prepare
of
in Hindi.
government school will be
Yeah,
joining
but
you
of
later.
course, I don't have presentation in Hindi.
Yes.
But definitely I'll prepare, and we can go ahead in Hindi. I can speak in Hindi also. There is no
हाँ
problem, so that a student can understand,
अच्छा
and there is no problem. But I have to prepare my presentation in Hindi.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Right now, I think it's not possible, but definitely in future I can be ready. Just you can give me advance in intimation,
Yes.
and definitely I can speak in Hindi and can present in Hindi.
The kids will be more excited to have you on.
Yeah, definitely I can understand, because all student may not be aware about English, that is a language bar.
That is
Okay,
right.
but definitely we can go ahead in Hindi also in future.
Certainly, we will join later, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Harshankar, sir, can we just end our session?
Okay, now it is concluded, I think, because maybe is not here.
just connect, sir.
So we should wait for the third session as well. Is he connecting this now?
सर
क्या सुरेश जी कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हैं क्या हमसे?
हाँ कनेक्ट होने जा रहा है सर, नेटवर्क इशू आ रहा था.
अच्छा अच्छा, अगर नहीं हो पा रहे हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सर को क्या हम बाद में जस्ट इनवाइट कर लेंगे सर को कभी, है ना?
ओके ओके
we can have another session with this, sir.
सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको सर.
Okay, sir.
डॉक्टर चंद्रौली सर के माध्यम से हम लोग आपसे
अनिल सर
अनिल
कुछ
सर
कहना
कुछ
चाह
कहना
रहे
चाह
हैं.
रहे हैं.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हेलो।
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर, yes.
हाँ सर, आपकी
हाँ सर,
आवाज
आपकी
आ रही
आवाज आ रही है। Sir, my name is Anil Kumar Thanvi, and I am a government teacher in Bikaner, Rajasthan, and I am working on a model of oscillating universe. Uh, According to my theory of oscillating universe, the Earth is not rotating, and the Earth is not orbiting the Sun. All planets of our solar system are not orbiting the Sun. I am presenting my thinking on social media, YouTube, and various platforms. Sir, I want your help that I am saying that the Earth is not rotating. Do you believe that Earth is rotating? My question.
Yeah, of course, major peoples, including me also, so far we believe that Earth is rotating, Earth is moving around the sun, other planet is also moving around sun. That is belief so far. Everybody is believing in that. But uh, suppose we are not believing, or suppose we want to say something that it is not rotating or not moving around the sun, so definitely we have to prove it. We have to provide the scientific reason or scientific details, that based on these details I can say earth is not rotating on that axis, or earth is not moving around the sun. So we have to provide definitely scientific details. Then only science community will believe. Otherwise, they won't believe. Okay, so that is very important. So solid technical background is required to prove the things that Earth is not rotating on their axis, or it is not moving around the sun. So that is very important. But so far, nobody has provided any solid scientific details that this is not happening. So everybody is believing that it's okay, it's true so far.
Sir, we have lots of data and lots of information about the Earth system, about its rotation, about its visible objectness, about its surface structure, about the atmosphere circulation, about water circulation, and lots of things that indicate the Earth is twisting and tightening in northern and southern part in the opposite direction. But the rate of twisting and tightening and oscillation is very slow. I have read a research paper, 6-year oscillation of the Earth system. A research paper from probably from Europe or America, I don't know. But just similar to Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and other planets, and outside of our solar system, including stars, sun stars, and galaxy, nebula, and black hole. There are lots of images and computerized images that indicate that in the entire system of the universe, there are some common, some similar, some symmetric, that indicate that there is a slow twisting and tightening of every celestial body in the universe. And I am also presenting on the same way that there was no supercontinent on the Earth in geoscience. So my story of oscillating universe is very long. I want that you help me. Okay.
Of course, I am not expert in astronomy, but I can just tell you, if you have some solid proof or if you have some study record, technical details, definitely you can approach astronomical union, that is global union, and you can provide the detail of your research work, that this is my technical details and this is my belief based on this my study or my solid proof. So you can just approach astronomical union, which is global union, in the field of their study, or they provide the detail in astronomy. Okay.
Okay.
So he has his own theory, which is telling about the twisting and tightening, that everything is twisting and making tight insidely and outsidely as well. We are seeing in the form of holistic views of the universe as well. So according to him, according to Anil Thanviji, everything is twisting and tightening.
Can you repeat? I could not understand your question, please.
Sir, I'm talking about Anil Thanvi's question as well. He's saying everything is twisting and tightening in the context of holistic universe as well. If we are talking about one aspect of the rotation and revolution as well, we can define the things according to the shorter scale. If we are seeing all these things on a broader, wider scale, then everything is twisting and tightening somewhere, according to Anil Thanvi, sir.
Yeah, normally, of course, universe is a very, everybody knows that it's very huge uh, space, or you can say it is very difficult to provide all detail of universe. Okay, so see, everything, whether it is rotating or moving, it is relative. Okay, based on gravitational force of heavy body, you can say, like for our sun system, it is moving, we are moving around sun, our earth is moving around sun, because sun is heavy and its gravitational force is large compared to earth. So definitely it's moving, earth is moving around sun. So similarly in universe law, there are a lot of such systems will be there, not only our solar system or solar planetary system. Of course, many more such systems will be there, and so many like bodies will be there in that solar, of course, universe. So that all everything is relative. Of course, we can say it is relative with respect to one particular object or one particular center or one particular body. Its movement, its rotation, and all the such thing. It's based on gravitational force of a used body.
Sir, but there are some common, similar and symmetric geometrical structure in entire system of the universe. We can note in nebula and galaxies and spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, in our Earth system also. And I am searching the common things and similar and symmetricity in entire system of the universe. The large scale structure of the universe, how the universe works, uh, according to my oscillating universe theory, that is different from Roger Penrose and Sternhardt, Europe, and other scientists. My theory presenting the Big Bang and Big Crunch in a new style, and uh, how the universe expands and how we contract. I am explaining by animation and by formulas, but I am a simple man. I want a good platform, and lots of problem with me. That I am not getting a good platform. So in this group of day and night space, I request that all of you listen me in detail about the oscillating universe. Uh,
So, as I told you, definitely just you can approach some expert in the this field, that is astronomical field, and definitely you can, as I told you, you can just try to approach that astronomical union also. so that from there or from their website or so you can find some expert people whom you can approach, and you can try to explain them, or you can try to explain your doubts or query to them, and definitely they will try to answer your query or questions. Okay.
Thank
Thank you, Anand Thanviji, for a wonderful question. You have a different kind of theory as well, like different theory, steady state theory, multiverse theory, concentric universe theory, orbiting universe theory, string theory. And there are so many theories for the sake of explaining about all about the space and universe as well. You have your twisting and tightening theory, which is also might be a part of this universe, for the sake of understanding this universe as well. So everything is here for the sake of understanding various sorts of aspects or various sorts of understanding about the universe through various sorts of theories also might be for the sake of humanity as well. So as Professor also told you about the IAU International Astronomical Union, you should write down to the International Astronomical Union through their websites, and you can go through the mails and through their website as well. You should go through the websites of IAU, International Astronomical Union, for the sake of knowing all about the things. Whether your theory will be explaining all about the holistic view of the universe and what kind of things which has been covered by your site. They will define and they will tell you how we conclude this theory in another ways as well. So thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
I request
I
Anil
request
sir,
Anil
please
sir, please
join
join
DNSF
DNSF Space
Foundation group,
Foundation group,
where
where
we
we
can
can
discuss
discuss
about
about
your
your
research.
research.
And once again,
Once
thank
again,
you so much,
uh,
sir,
sir,
Bharatbhai sir.
Bharatbhai sir,
And I
and
request
I
Yeah, please.
request
Mahal sir,
all sir,
please
please
conclude this
conclude
session.
these sessions.
Yeah, of course, it is a very good session, and definitely I I was encouraged. I was enjoyed the session, and definitely I hope you will carry out such seminars or some webinars online in near in time ahead, and definitely you will grow. Your organization or your foundation will definitely grow. And my best wishes to all of you for such further progress. And definitely, it's a very good your activity, and I want to congratulate all, and I wish you all the best to all of you.
Thanks a
Thank you,
lot,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
Thanks
sir.
sir.
a trillion, sir, for a wonderful talk here, Bharatbhai, sir. It was absolutely a great session which has been covered by your side, all about the holistic approach, all about the space science as well, and much more than that. Absolutely, your words has increased our understanding about the universe, and we have cleared a lot of things all about the space as well, sir. Like Anand Thanvi, this is a new idea also which has been discussed in your talk. This is also a wonderful talk. We are just innovative things which has been told about the Anil Thanvi, sir. So you have explained wonderfully, sir. And according to me, it was great and wonderful, fantastic session by your side, sir. So thank you. Thanks a lot of you, sir, Bharatbhai, sir. And special
Thank you.
thanks goes to Vidya Yadav and Bharatbhai, sir, for organizing such a wonderful webinar, sir, due to the Chandmoli, sir, Chandmoli
I,
Joshi, sir, Anil ji, Harisankar ji, and
I
I
request
all the
request
team
everyone,
from
everyone,
DNR discuss and
I request
I
thank you
request
everyone
very
to
much,
everyone,
please
please
Bharatbhai.
open your
open your
camera so
camera
we
so
can
we
take
can
a
take a
screenshot
screenshot
with
with
sir. It will
it
be
would be
really a
really a
very
very
wonderful
wonderful
moment.
moment.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Sri Chandramouli sir, please. Camera on.
All the facing.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you,
Jai
Bharatbhai, sir, for a wonderful talk and session.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
the DNR Space Foundation, thank you for organizing such a wonderful and great
Thank
webinar.
you. Thank you all.
We organize more webinars in future as well with Bharatbhai, sir.
Yeah, my best
We
wishes
will
are
build.
there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, now
Okay,
we are
now we are
ending the
ending the
meeting.
meeting.
In,
In
in the
in the
meeting,
meeting,